Making customers happy is a serious priority with us here, so when one of our happy customers writes to tell us about a job well done, we love sharing that. And it's no surprise that we love hearing from our happy and satisfied customers, and this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior customer service. This is one of our favorite reviews as well, very inspiring. But please, don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself when you work with our expert team. Attention to detail and our unmatched quality are our specialties. We appreciate you stopping by and watching, and we're happy to answer any questions you may have. We're only one call away from serving you.